Unlocking Greatness, the truth about growth and success. Life is not about having all the answers from the start. It is a journey of discovering, growing, and evolving through every experience, challenge, and success. Some people seem to achieve success effortlessly, while others go through years of struggle before reaching their goals. But is success purely about talent or luck, or is it something much deeper? From an early age, we are drawn to different interests and passion. Some children naturally gravitate toward music, business, or leadership, while others develop their skills through dedication and persistence. It is not about being born. With talent, it is about recognizing what excites us, investing time, and sharpening our abilities. No one is handed a map to success at birth. Even those who inherit businesses or opportunities can fail if they lack the right mindset. Studies show that talent accounts for only a small percentage of success. The real key is persistence, mindset, and continuous learning. Hard work can compensate for a lack of talent, but no talent can replace the value of hard work. Yet, there is a difference between true persistence and forcing something that no longer aligns with us. The key to fulfillment is listening to our hearts. If we pursue a goal with excitement, trust, and joy, we are on the right path. But if we continue simply out of fear, pressure, or expectations, we may be forcing an outcome rather than growing toward one. True success is not just about reaching a destination. It is about aligning our efforts with what truly fulfills us. Growth happens when we embrace challenges as lessons, listen to our intuition, and evolve with purpose. The greatest achievement is not wealth or recognition, but the ability to wake up every day and know that we are on the right path, one that resonates with who we truly are.